Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to explore an interesting AI tool where you can upload your reference paper and you can ask any questions you want. So and then you can make a perfect literature review for your reference papers, that is using your reference papers. So and also I am going to show you how you ask questions to that particular PDF. Thereby you can get a perfect literature review and analysis of that PDF. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are organizing a research paper writing workshop on conference and journal paper writing using AI tool. So in this workshop, we are going to analyze different types of AI tools which is useful for research paper writing. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing. So if you are interested in writing research paper using AI tools, don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement is that we are offering internship program. So the first internship program on MATLAB fundamentals for electrical engineering. So in this internship program, you will know more about basic fundamentals of MATLAB, especially different types of Simulink blocks operation. So thereby you can get a perfect idea how to use different blocks in Simulink for your MATLAB applications. So if you are interested in, register for this internship. It is a 14-day internship program and you will get a certificate for this internship program also. So the next important internship program is on enhance your research writing with best AI tools. So in this internship program, I have explored different types of AI tools, especially the best one for each part of your research paper writing. So make use of this internship program and know more about AI tools for your research paper and academic writing, especially students, those who are struggling to prepare project reports. So this internship program will be very useful for you. So don't forget to register this internship and get a certification also. Thank you. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that TanyaPDF. So here it is linked with Ask PDF. So thereby you can upload your files here. So then you can analyze that. So I have subscribed for a free option. So here you can upload your files here. So this is the dashboard of this TanyaPDF. So just click on this. So and go to desktop. So I have a file here. For free you can upload up to 2 MB. So I am going to upload a paper here. So here you can see I have uploaded two different documents. So the first one is a paper, dual active bridge and matrix converter based 3-port converter topology for grid interactive PV battery system. So here you can see this is the reference paper I have uploaded. So here you can see it comprises of 6 pages. So in this you can ask any questions you want. For example, so from the paper, make a literature review with merits and future scope. So like that you can give an input. So then AI will analyze that particular paper and it will generate answer for you. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see that. So this is how the answer is generated. So this paper develops a 3-port converter topology based on dual active bridge and matrix converter for a grid interactive renewable power system integrating solar PV and battery system. The converter is designed to overcome intermittency and voltage issues and also consumers to shift their PV production to meet household needs. Conventional approaches require at least 2 separate power converters resulting in multi-stage. The converter developed in this study provides galvanic isolation between the 3 ports and ensures single stage power conversion between any 2 ports. So all switches in DAB converter operate with 0 voltage switching, which is essential to reduce energy loss. So this is how a summarized thing of this particular paper is generated. So and then you can ask, so what are the future scope of the paper? So like that you can ask a question. So let us see how it will generate answer for us. So actually some here you can see this is the problem with this kind of tool. So it only analyze the content present in them, so and it won't generate the content, that is, it won't generate what is inferred from them. So here the important thing is that I am only set to answer questions related to contest. So if you have any questions regarding the document, please ask. So like that it is asking, so it is giving results. The only thing is that, so it will analyze what is present only in that paper. So for example, I am going to ask another question now. Explain the cases present in the paper. So like that I am going to ask the question, explain the cases present in the paper. So here it is also not explained because it is presented in pictures. So like that, so this is the important drawback present in this kind of AI tools. So if you want to get a better explanation, page wise explanation of these tools, so what you can do is you can go to LMS Research Support. So here in this LMS Research Support, so you will be having different AI templates. So here these are the different AI templates. So in this you can have an option called Chat with PDF. So just to click on this Chat with PDF option. So in this Chat with PDF option, so you can upload papers and you can get the better explanation, page wise explanation of the paper. So here you can upload, choose a file here. So in this, go to desktop again. So you can choose the same file. So I am going to choose the same file again. So here you can see give option called upload. So automatically this is uploaded. So here you can see the page, select page number. It is having 6 pages. So you can see all the 6 pages here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 pages are present. So for example, so if you want to need the explanation of the first page, so you can copy this one. So just copy and paste here. So here you can see that, so these are the possible questions can be asked with the paper. So here you can see the possible questions are: summarize the content, explain the content, inference from the content, method used in the content. So for example, I am going to give inference from the content. So here then click on ask questions. So automatically it will analyze the text in that particular page and it will generate what it is inferred. So here you can see that key inferences. So this is the inferences from this particular page. So like that you can get a page wise inference easily. So when compared with this tool we have discussed today, so you can use LMS Research Support for page wise explanation. So this will give you a better results for you, so and very useful for you to make your research paper writing simple. So go on and explore this tool. If it works out well for you, you can use this. So otherwise you can move on to another options like LMS Research Support AI tool, and many other AI tools are available. So you can go on and check it out. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.